You're watching.
You're watching.
You're watching. You are watching.
And you're watching Masters TV.
Hello, Marshmallow.
What's up, hip hop?
I'm Mayor.
And I'm Jaren. And you're watching Masters TV. Yeah. Nagkaplano ka ba?
Siyempre.
Bakit ka nagkaplano?
Kasi I want to succeed. Everyone wants to succeed naman. Even God wants us to succeed.
So, what moves to plan?
Yun na nga. Kasi I want to succeed.
Succeed?
Siyempre, habang bata pa, mas maganda yung plano. Pero hindi madaling mag-plano siya.
Siyempre, pag nagkaplano, meron din kumukontra sa plano. Paano pag ganito? Siyempre, nag-worry ka din.
Kanina pa ako share ng share? Ikaw naman. Ano yung plan ba?
Of course, I plan.
What moves you to plan?
Gusto mo isang word lang?
Sige.
Questers. The Questers moves me to plan. Kasi, Questers, sa Questers ko nahanap ang aking friends at dahil sa group na to, or for me, it's what I call family. I found God in this community. And this is the best. The greatest community, greatest group I've been. Ikaw, may plano ka na ba? Kung wala ka bang plano, ask God. And God will tell you. Sabi nga nila, ask
Even to that.
And again, I'm Jaren.
I'm Mayor.
And you're watching Masters TV. Ano? Release na! Hey, what? What's yun na? Oh, recording. 1, 2, 3. Good. Sino una?
Please don't forget to subscribe.